Hello, today we will guide you through how to unpublish Qualtrics survey. If you need to stop a survey from accepting new responses in Qualtrics, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the survey editor back to your projects list, then use the project menu to close the survey and pause response collection. This is useful when you want to temporarily stop submissions, make updates, or take a survey offline without deleting the project. Begin on the Edit Survey page in Qualtrics. This is the Survey Builder area where you normally create and update your questions. Once you're here, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main navigation, giving you access to other areas of your Qualtrics account. From that menu, click Projects. This will take you out of the survey editor and back to your main projects page, where you can see the list of surveys and other projects in your account. If you have many items here, take a moment to locate the specific survey you want to unpublish. When you find the correct project, click the three-line Options menu for that survey. This menu opens the available actions for the selected project. Be careful to choose the right survey before continuing, especially if you manage multiple similar projects. Next, click Close. In Qualtrics, closing a survey is part of the process of stopping access to it. This helps prevent participants from continuing into the survey as if it were still actively open. After that, click Pause Response Collection. This is the key action that stops new responses from being recorded. Once this setting is applied, your survey is effectively unpublished for response collection, meaning people can no longer submit new entries through the active link. As a helpful tip, after completing this action, it's a good idea to confirm that the survey status has changed as expected. You can also keep in mind that pausing response collection does not remove your survey or its existing data. It simply stops additional responses from coming in, which is useful if you plan to reopen it later. That's all it takes to unpublish a Qualtrics survey. You've opened the navigation menu, gone to Projects, selected the survey options, clicked Close, and then paused response collection to stop new submissions.